Hello friends, welcome to MySQL session. In this session, we are going to see how we can compare two MySQL tables and we can get our distinct record as per our need from both the tables. So let's say I wanted to compare two tables on the basis of left outer join, or we can compare it on the basis of right outer join. We have already had a session on the left outer join and right outer join in this tutorial. So let's see how we can use left outer join and right outer join to compare our table. So let's say I have one table. I'm currently in my MySQL terminal and I have one table. So let's say select star from my table name is, let's say, table 4. So I have 5 records in this particular table. So let's say I have one more table, like select star from table 5. In this I have 7 records. So you can see on my screen that there are few values which are available in one table but that are not available in some other table. So let's say for example I have record ID 104. So 104 is present in table 4 but that is not available in table 5. So in the similar manner, like I have record 106 and 107 and 100 that is available in table 5 but these are not available in table 4. So we have some record which are there in one table but those are not available in other table. So how we can compare these two tables and get all the values which are available distinctly from both the tables. So let's say I wanted the record like 104 because it is distinct, that is not available in table 5, and record like 100 and 106 and 107. So these are not available in table 4. So how I can get these records, like the distinct record from both the tables. So to compare the tables, first you need to use the left outer join and right outer join on both these tables. So let's say I'm writing my query like select, and I wanted like all the records from table 4. So let's say T1 dot star. So I will create the alias of table 4 as T1. Let's say from table, that is table 4, and its alias is, let's say, T1. Then left outer join, and after the left outer join, on which table you wanted to join? I wanted to join on table 5. So table 5 and its alias is, let's say, T2. And on which column you wanted your join? So I wanted my join on the ID column. So let's say T1 dot ID equal to T2 dot ID. So I'm fetching my record on the basis of ID column, and because I don't want all the null values because I'm using the left outer join, so I don't want like which record that are available in like table 5 from right side, that should not be displayed because that will display as null values. So I wanted like where I am giving some condition like let's say T2. So T2 is my second table like table 5. So T2 dot ID is null. So I am comparing like if it is T2 dot ID is null, then I don't want that to be displayed on my screen. So let's execute this query. So now you can see it has displayed only one record because I have only 104 record in table 4 that is not available in table 5 as you can see on my screen. So I have displayed T1 dot star and I have used left outer join on table 5 and I'm comparing with T2 dot ID is null because if I won't use T2 dot ID is null then it will display the record as null which is not matching from right side. So I can show you, let's say I'm not using this. So let's see what will happen. So now you can see it has displayed all the records from the right table also that are distinct from the right table. In the right table, I have 101, 103 and 5, 6 like these are the records that are not matching with the ID column. So it has displayed all the records. So that's why I have mentioned like I don't want where t2.id is null because I want only the distinct values from the left table. Now our second task is I wanted the distinct values from the right table like table 5 so that we can compare both the table distinct values. So I got my distinct value from table 4 like using this query. So now I wanted my distinct query like distinct record from table 5. So let's say I'm using the same query. I'm using t2 dot star from let's say table 4. Now I wanted right outer join because it is here like left outer join because I wanted it from my right table. So I wanted from right outer join. So T2 dot star from table 4 alias is T1 then right outer join on table 5 where T1 dot ID equal to T2 dot ID where now I wanted T1 dot ID is null. So by using this query I would get the distinct record from table 5 like my right table. So now you can see I got only 3 records 100, 106, 107. So this is the record which are not available in left table. So now I have received my query for my distinct value from table 4 as well as table 5. So there is an important question in interview like I wanted the distinct values from both the tables. So how I can get the distinct value from both the table by querying a single MySQL query. So there is an important question in MySQL interview while doing big data testing like how I can get a distinct record from both the tables when comparing our MySQL table on the basis of join. So now you can see I have got my distinct record from table 4 and I got my distinct record from table 5. So I can join these tables. So how I can join? There is a keyword union and union all that is available in MySQL to join these two tables so that I can get all the record by using single query. So let's say I have this query like the first query t1 dot star which is using left outer join. Then I wanted this right join table also. Then I wanted this right outer join table also. So I'm copying this table and I'm removing my semicolon. So now I'm using the keyword union all. So there is two keyword like union and union all. So there is a difference. Union all gives duplicate records also, but union only gives you the distinct record. So you can use that as per your need. So let me paste my second query and now I am using the first query for the left outer join and the second query for the right outer join, and I'm joining these two tables using the union all keyword. So let me press enter. So now you can see I have received my record 104 and these three record in one table. So this is how you can compare your table and get the distinct value on the basis of your query in one table. So you can use union and union all as per your need. If you don't want duplicate value, then you can use union. If you can see the duplicate values also, then you can use union all. So in this session, we have seen how we can compare our two tables in MySQL. Thanks for watching this session.